Hi everyone, I hope you are well. Today I'm making some oven roasted Mexican shredded chicken. I'm serving the chicken on a tortilla. I made some fresh guacamole and some pico de gallo. So if you're interested how I make this, continue watching. Thank you, have a great day. So for the spicy Mexican shredded chicken, I have chicken thighs. The skin is already removed. So add 2 teaspoons of salt, two teaspoons of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry chili flakes. If you don't want the shredded chicken spicy, then I would avoid adding the flakes. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves. Add it in. I'm gonna add juice from 1 lime. So the easy way how to get lime juice out of the lime is to use a fork and just put it inside and keep rolling around the fork. This one's actually very juicy, so I'm only going to use half of it. And just mix everything together and make sure that the chicken is well coated. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. So just 1 tablespoon. It smells really good already. So if you have time, I recommend putting it in the fridge for at least half an hour up to 1 hour just to marinate it. If you don't have time, you can start baking it straight away. So I have a little bit of time, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge for half an hour. So just put a plastic cover on top. Here you go. So whilst the chicken is marinating, I decided to make a simple version of guacamole. So I did a guacamole recipe for my channel already in the past. This is a very easy, quick version of it. So you just put 2 avocados in a bowl and first mash the avocado with a fork. It really depends what you prefer. I like my guacamole rather chunkier, so I don't mash it completely. So now add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. That's probably more like 3. And I have half a lime that I'm gonna squeeze in. I'm again gonna use the fork to get the most juice out of it. And now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I would use a good extra virgin olive oil that I use for salads. And as the last step, add some salt and pepper to taste. Mix well together and the easy guacamole is done. And I'm also going to make some pico de gallo. I'm gonna follow my own recipe that I already have on my channel, so I will link it in the description box for you if you want to check that out. So I had the chicken marinating for half an hour and the oven is preheated now, so I'm gonna put it on my roasting pan. Spread the thighs around so they're laying flat. So I'm gonna cook them for 35 minutes. So now it's been 35 minutes and the chicken smells amazing and it looks really good. And once you get the chicken out of the oven, before you start shredding it, put some tortillas in an aluminum foil and put it in the oven that's already preheated. I've got 6 here, I'm gonna use all 6. Just wrap it. And 5 minutes will be enough. So I'm now going to shred the chicken. So just take a fork, put the chicken in a bowl, and just using 2 forks shred the chicken. So now I have the tortillas warmed up. I'll just put one on my plate. I have some cheddar cheese, so I'm going to sprinkle some of the cheddar cheese, add some of the shredded chicken, add some of the guacamole, the pico de gallo. I've got some spring onions here, so I'm gonna sprinkle some spring onions and fresh coriander. And that's it, my Mexican shredded chicken served on a tortilla with some homemade guacamole and pico de gallo. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.